Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothie for diabetics full guide. Start by choosing low glycemic fruits, a protein source like Greek yogurt, fiber from flax or chia, and unsweetened almond milk. Measure portions with a kitchen scale or measuring cups to control carbs. Blend until smooth and taste before adding small amounts of cinnamon or lemon for flavor without extra sugar. Gather ingredients that support steady blood sugar: mixed berries, half a green apple, plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened almond milk, and a tablespoon of flaxseed. Use a small portion of avocado or nut butter for healthy fats and creaminess. Avoid fruit juice and sweetened yogurts. Keep a high-fiber, moderate protein balance to reduce rapid glucose rises while keeping the smoothie satisfying and tasty. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help support more diabetic-friendly recipes. Quick recommendation: I love durable, comfortable socks like Darn Tough for kitchen chefs who stand a lot. They come with a lifetime warranty and brighten the routine. Check the description for the link to that product and other deals that support healthier cooking. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by adding 1 cup unsweetened almond milk to the blender, then 3 ounces of Greek yogurt, half a cup of berries, half a green apple, and a tablespoon of ground flax. Add ice or frozen berries last to thicken. Blend on high for about 45 seconds, check texture, and pause to scrape down sides if needed. Taste and adjust with cinnamon or lemon, not sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.